welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Decision to reduce VVIP choppers' flying altitude to encourage competition. VVIPs never fly at 6,500-meter heights. Discussions began during Vajpayee regime. Governor Wanchoo tells CBI. Modi government likely to announce names of governors soon. New list of 7 new governors ready. New governors include BJP senior leaders from UP, MP and Delhi. Ancient rock calendar discovered at Kabderam Fort. Rock as old as 30,000 years old. Astronomy enthusiast Borkar says rock formation correlates to movement of stars. EPF department yet to be fully computerized. Scope for irregular and corrupt practices in enforcement wing. Modus operandi exposed after inspectors' arrest by CBI. Watch report. And Argentina beat Belgium to make into semis after 24 years. Argentina to face Netherlands in semi-finals. Netherlands defeats Costa Rica 4-3 in a penalty shootout after match ended scoreless. And now the news in detail. A decision to reduce the flying altitude of VVIP choppers from 6,000 meters to 4,500 meters was taken to encourage competition and multi-bidders. The discussion began during Vajpayee government's regime. Sources say this is what the Goa governor and former SPG chief Wanchoo has stated before the CBI. Wanchoo's statement was recorded as the witness in VVIP chopper deal scam. His statement also says that President or Prime Minister never fly above the altitude of more than 4,500 meters. Monday is the last day of the Governor Wanchoo at the Goa Raj Bhavan. CBI interrogated Governor Wanchoo as a witness in VVIP Augusta Westland helicopter scam. Wanchoo was the chief of SPG group during the decision-making for the deal of Augusta Westland VVIP chopper. The allegation is that the deal was cracked by decreasing the specification regarding flying altitude of the chopper to 4,500 from 6,000 meters. There are allegations of 360 crore worth under-the-table deal in the process. CBI is investigating as in why the altitude of the chopper was decreased. CBI team recently recorded the statement of Governor Wanchoo at Goa Raj Bhavan. Highly placed sources informed Prudent on the content of the statement of Governor Wanchoo to the CBI. As per the statement of Governor, technical discussion of the chopper had begun during the Vajpayee government. Augusta Westland contract was awarded during the term of UPA government. Wanchoo informed that in 2003, during the Vajpayee government, in the high-level committee's meet, National Security Advisor Brajesh Mishra had pressed for decreasing the flying altitude of the chopper from 6,000 meters to 4,500 meters and that specification of 6,000 altitude be kept optional. Later, the Vajpayee government was out of the seat. The VVIP chopper procurement file didn't move. In 2004, when Wanchoo was the chief of the SPG, the Defence Ministry once again called a special meet to discuss the VVIP chopper deal. High-level committee sought suggestions from the SPG on 5 technical aspects pertaining to the choppers: VVIP security, communication, convenience and cabin layer were the aspects taken up for suggestions from the SPG. Wanchoo informed CBI that the Air Force had stated that the President or the Prime Minister never flies above 4,500 meters. Again in 2004, the Air Force agreed to keep the altitude to 6,000 meters. However, in the year 2005, the decision of 4,500 meters was reiterated to avoid single bidder situation. These were the suggestions by the high-level committee where Wanchoo was a part of it. In 2005, the high-level committee of the UPA government made the similar suggestions made by the then National Security Advisor Brajesh Mishra. As per Governor's statement, Wanchoo, the final decision was taken by the Defence Ministry. This Goa Governor Wanchoo's statement to the CBI during CBI interrogation. Following this quizzing, soon Governor received a call from Delhi to quit the post for being an appointee of the past UPA government. Governor agreed and resigned immediately. Monday is Governor Wanchoo's last day at the Goa Raj Bhavan. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Sushant Pearl for Prudent. The Modi government is likely to announce soon the names of governors to be appointed in 7 states. The new appointments by the NDA government are set to take place after the UP appointed governors of the states, including Goa, were asked to step down. News reports from Delhi say new list includes BJP's senior leaders from UP, MP, Maharashtra, Delhi and Punjab. The names of the governors are likely to be declared in a couple of days.
In a surprise move, the Modi government cleared the name of eminent lawyer Soli Sorabji for the post of governor. Apart from Mr. Sorabji, others included in the final list of governors are former Petroleum Minister Ram Naik, senior BJP leaders from Uttar Pradesh Lalji Tandon and Kesrinath Tripathi, senior leader from Madhya Pradesh Kailash Joshi, Delhi BJP leader VK Malhotra and former Punjab Minister Balramji Das Tandon. Goa will have one amongst this as the next governor. Top government sources said Sorabji has been tipped to be the next governor of Karnataka. A formal proposal along with 6 others is likely to be sent to President Pranab Mukherjee over the next couple of days. The government is still not very sure about the timing of appointing the new governors. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Ancient rock calendar as early as 30,000 years old has been discovered at Kabde Ram Fort. Astronomy enthusiast Sarvesh Borkar has found rock formation inside fort correlating to the movement of stars. Objects are placed to keep track of the time. Megaliths for timekeeping are the earliest clocks that work on the time scale of months and keep a track of the movement of sun and moon in order to keep the track of seasons. Borkar also claims that stone carving at Kabde Ram is a similar site as found in the South Africa.
Trikoni stone asa, so triangle shapean dista. थोडे स्टोन्स तुडून पडिल्ले आसात which looks like stone man जो आफ्रिकेच्या सायडीचेर आसा तसोच सिमिलर स्टोन्स हे आसा की हे जे स्टोन्स आसात ते एका लायनीन आसा ताची एक सिस्टमॅटीक अरेंजमेंट आसा जी अलायनमेंट आसा आनी ही अलायनमेंट जी आसा ती अलायनमेंट आमचे 21 जूनाक जे आमी सॉलिस्टिस म्हणटात समर सॉलिस्टिस त्या समर सॉलिस्टिसाक मॅच जाता एक्झॅक्ट अलायन जाता म्हणल्यार सूर्य जेन्ना उगवतलो तेन्ना एक्झॅक्ट किल्ल्याच्या दारांतल्यान सरळ लायट येतली आतां जें दार आसा तें आनी ह्या स्टोना वयल्यान सरळ हें जावन फुडें एक मार्कर स्टोन आसा थंयच्यान तो मावळटलो हें तांणी हजारो वर्सां पयलीं कोणें तरी करून दवरिल्लें थंय पळोवपाक मेळटा जशें उगवतो सूर्य आसा तसोच मावळट्या जाग्यार तांणी अशेच स्टोन्स हांगा हें करून दवरिल्ले आसा मार्कर स्टोन्स आसात ज्या स्टोनाचे एक्झॅक्ट लायन आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा जे एका लायनीन सरळ रेशेन दवरिल्ले आसात थंय सो आमच्या हजारांनी वर्सां पयलीं मे बी मोर दॅन 30,000 बिकॉज टुडेज नॉर्थ डज नॉट मॅच विथ दीस नॉर्थ हाजेर जे नॉर्थचे मार्क केल्ले स्टोन्स आसात त्या स्टोन्साचें प्रिसिजन चेंज जाल्लें आसा हें जावपाक शकता फक्त 26,000 वर्सां पयलीं जेन्ना अर्थाचे एक्सीस चेंज जाल्ली तेन्ना हे मुवमेंट्स जाल्ले सो ताचे पयलीं केन्ना तरी हें करून दवरिल्लें आसा हांगा आनी एक विशिश्ट म्हणजे हांगा एक स्टोन थ्रोन कट केल्लो फातर जशें कदेल आमचें आसता तशेंच कदेलाच्या आकाराचें स्टोन कट केल्लें हें आसा बसपाक बसका आसा ते हाजेर बसल्यार 2 सायडींतल्यान आमकां स्टार्स उगवता ते दिसता एका सायडींतल्यान ताचे जे नॉर्थ ईस्ट सायड आसा ते नॉर्थ ईस्ट सायडींतल्यान सादारण डिसेंबराक 21 डिसेंबर जे आमी विंटर सॉलिस्टिस म्हणटात ते विंटर सॉलिस्टिसाक आनी 21 जूनाक हांगच्यान जेन्ना आमचें ओरियन कॉन्स्टलेशन उगवता तें कॉन्स्टलेशन एक्झॅक्ट त्या लायनीन पॅरलल मेळटा हें हांवें स्टडी करून आनी नॉर्मल हातून म्हाका मेळ्ळा ज्यो नास्का ह्यो सावथ अमेरिकेक नास्का लायन्स म्हणून आसात ज्यो फक्त वयल्यान पळोवपाक मेळटा विमानांतल्यान या गुगल अर्थांतल्यान दिसतात त्या टायपाच्यो लायन्स ह्या स्टोनार जर बसत जाल्यार एक्झॅक्ट एट 140-145 डिग्री दॅट इज टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट ऑफ दीस ह्या स्टोनाचेर गुगल अर्थांतल्यान मनशाची आकृती वयल्यान दिसता प्लस एक्झॅक्टली ऑन द वेस्ट सायड ऑफ द फोर्ट साउथ वेस्टाच्या मदीं अरावंड 240 डिग्रीसाचेर एक बूल म्हणल्यार बैलाची आकृती एक्झॅक्ट कोरीव केल्ली जमनीचेर दिश्टी पडटा, जी फक्त गुगलांतल्यान दिसता. जमनीचेर फक्त कोरीव ताचे फातर दवरिल्ले दिसता, क्लियर कांय दिसना. एक्झॅक्टली नॉर्थ ऑफ दीस फोर्ट हांगच्यान जर समुद्राच्या एक्झॅक्ट नॉर्थ सायडीन त्या फोर्टाचे जर पळयत जाल्यार विशिश्ट कार्विंग दिसता, जो अख्खो डोंगराचें जें आसा तें मनशाचें तोंड कशें कार्व केल्लें दिसता आमकां. जे कालचक्राचे जे स्टोन्स आसात ते स्टोन्स एक्झॅक्ट आमचे 21 मार्च, 21 जून आनी डिसेंबर जे इक्विनॉक्स आनी सोलेस्टीस आसा तांकां एक्झॅक्ट मॅच जातात.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.